Hornby's new Class 50 twin-track sound decoder is reviewed in the July 2019 issue of Hornby magazine. Featuring 24 sound functions, this latest addition to the range comes pre-fitted with a standard 40mm by 20mm speaker and is ready for plug-and-play use. Listen now as the completed installation is started up for the first time using the standard speaker setup. And again, this time having replaced the standard speaker with Rail Exclusive's new 40mm by 20mm by 7mm single speaker.